manye aza azikadore iba Christmas ni Monday no baro poliro there are kanyang say the kitore. Adisa, I would also like to warmly welcome our in-laws and guests on this auspicious day. As we worship in unity, may the spirit of Christmas bless you all.
Christmas tree, and I wait on this Christmas song in my heart. I've got the candles glowing in the dark. I'm hanging all the stockings by the Christmas tree. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. Listen for the thought of rain walking on the roof. As I fall asleep to lie by, the morning's coming soon. And the only gift I'll ever need is the joy of family. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. I've got this Christmas song in my heart. I've got the candles glowing in the dark. I'm hanging all the stockings by the Christmas tree. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. I've got this Christmas song in my heart. I've got the candles glowing in the dark. I'm hanging all the stockings by the Christmas tree. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. My song.
你龙那金丝里米养家肉狗，你在热拉西拉维给着压力，阿那多拉提那浪着提扎木努，一把有西阿扎扎，基督克里斯扎里里，只让把主热苦，基督克里斯热苦。Sarana yuti kuna kajoro, machanga pa akang araning tang lile, tirang patura kanyang kachong. Limi ratina jinki atang pakyano, long really rati apa kanyang tano, anating ratina titana yuchino, iba yusi atata, Jesu Christa talile, sirang paturaku, Jesu Christa roku, sarana yuti kuna kachoro, machanga pa akang araning tang lile, sirang patura kanyang kachong. Along lamratia pinati masuno mararata alirati kansono atanarati kang abina kang jano ibayusi atata Jesu Christa talile tirang paturaku Jesu Christa roku sarana yuti kuna kachoro machanga pa akang araning tang lile tirang patura kanyang kachong achong charatia tuyong atatuno kushimali rakanya na kyashano pamaling hirati abam yin yabeno ibayusi atata Jesu Christa talile sirang paturaku Jesu Christa roku sarana yuti kuna kachoro machanga pa akang araning tang lile sirang patura kanyang kachoro.
I, on my behalf and on behalf of my family, bring greetings and wish the entire congregation a Merry Christmas. Hela chino chona liba isa lana tu yontala ko isa sona ba yushunong liba isa Dr. Alam associate pastor ko la pastor na beli tola tikelari ko da officers ti ko amalung pa bala lana redi ko azazi de ketu zero pemero na ra pem kya jinga amala chare isa te aknya yuchono ikya tepsla chabaza te kanyare because he by appreciation yuchono ba za long za lam thingbo tu bala appreciate sano se ba yuza a sano di ba ma sano ba isa pun study sa bo appreciation yuchono ba lang le dai na sara de sa literal na be so program tepcho karadi ni sa na can platform hi chaba za ilung kanyar ba because it ma be sere ke tio ne ba program la ma program ba la hi pa isa Sangtam church the platform guru hi sa United Sangtam yo ashipung la chuya show platform chashorote. Why? Because isa Sangtam yang ka tio liro apam la representative kan ba ko la ke tio representative pa ma show yang Sangtam yang ke tio la ro pa ya show isa apam ro a material lam nung lira maka retired bureaucracy maka business atsa sarete yang la liri ding asau ni sarete ro Dimapur la sel sabe pamiapu history pete platform chubaza akenya no kodo. My first appreciation and my first akenya should you say nerdy material pa adi thing me dakang la is a Sangtam church Dimapur is I think Dimapur yo yuchuti tharai tharoka ades la Nepali Hindu churches ta apam nile ita isa sa anila pung makan na collectivities la is a Sangtam church is I think among the 5 or 6 7 best churches sabil in advancement it's about you part la sa tu no kana daily ashno ro ni charma ita could be occasionally ro ka tepche tu no atonde le ro dangi is a church activities thing there long improvement le ba akyam bakatu ko chana in a union pastor is a pastor in the po associate pastor women or youth cause la full time workers ti katio is a Sangtam to try take care of cause the party katio nali to zero ner de akyam shu khatu is a pa nere khuna nere li cha is advancement anla sanye ma shu la sanye kita advanced hero ba long kenya ba ko shan la kana atung tes akenya ba khatu sa especially is la ki sa balana tu ila ka anus ma de abin ne be is la query thing ma ta la is a changes kat amla ro ba ati ba ashnu ro de ko is the query hita pam the every Sunday ki kandak sa mo thing ma da chak ati ba changa din de thing kan la is a church apalang shamre church our church la ma cha jo ching is a Sangtam church la ta sa ba and one of the best thing a very cordial and as well as a good part of leading the song. It's a Kenyara ba. It's a Tingala ki Teza Laza Madana Akutung Raka Akutung Matsipar. Are ku cute Sadas Pachabo are in the Lady Sandela say Arakoro Pembe Kin Lano Kisabada. It's a very good thing, appreciable. It's a Katu, Aredes a Kenyaba Katu. I had no see cherry but another de Chumachirba. Koyalakana Tisa La Bitola is a youth Katuna. Every service like very important canary in a youth mustar, and as one way is very good. I really appreciate the youths who are taking part in our church, whether it is your youth service or devotion or any other services. Near the long parts are accurate, so it is a very good thing. So I would like to appreciate you all, and you should continue to do such things. It will be good for our people and for your upbringing youths. It's a youth, it's a long Kenyare, and I really thank you for everything. Koila in a churches Sangtam Dimapur to Makpisa thing but is a Sangtam Analapo Kunkan advancements long time by. For example, is a Yanila Yang Center Youth Blast Center letter now is a television college there. I see ballet to MD but not start class I don't know start by. That is a postgraduate degree tashna. Coach the kan is a Sangtam you should party that thing, even our import television college, but our sound is a little bit. Use blood, no, Yanlila. Cause it's a you advancement, long time. His Chalaka, Yanlila, and Hita to Mopi is a sub center keeper la Sanye. Ours at this school runs hereby. Cause of school runs habaza is a little yoko, nominal fee, maka normal expenses like that. Anxiety school kids you are about. And this is a very good initiative on the part of the church. Why? Because it's like Nagaland is like akudi timati. Why Catholic they are very advanced. Our Nakadabi is a Nagaland long attacks are you. Their schools were very good. The top schools in India, not only in Nagaland, the top schools in India are the Catholic schools. Are your school, are your college, they give the best education, best knowledge. These are up in Catholic schools. Catholics are long said by. There is a baptism, these are the church schools made by that. Sangtam advancement. I really like it. Theological college led by school led by. It's a Kenyan Katu, cause it's a Artumop, it's a Laka, Landry, it's a Trezikun, it's a Precious and Vision Church Okun, it's a Korobas, a town Katu Bosa, it's a Sangam advancement, but a long attack to be in the another day, Yoruba. Or Peka, he like a Kenyan to Peka, Tenamelita, I won't take much time. Coach is another thing, it's a spiritually, it's a spiritual activities. Spiritually, no one knows. But it's an anulapung is upon Tizana advancement, it's a long thing material and it is very good. He still has I want to say one thing. Is a spiritual activities, the advancement, is a social activities. Shusala is a sound of social activities, whether we are advancing or not. Is as a Pikutia. Let us at least retrospect some of the things. Retrospect. Retrospect on the what can we do? How do we study? Precisely in the you couldn't do, the Greek anthropologists, the Greek philosophers, they've categorized 3 types of human being in a human society. These are the last categorized Greek anthropologists, Greek philosophers. Greek people, they are the ancient people who have really brought up many ideas, many philosophies, which is really deal up to now the modern society is using the Greek philosophers. Greek philosophers are in human society there are 3 categories of people. Who are they? The citizens, the tribals, and the idiots. 3 types of people they are given. Who are the citizens? Citizen, as a person who is a citizen, he give all his activities, provide all his knowledge for the welfare of the nation. And he knows how to protect his right and take the responsibility. And he also respect the rights and responsibility of other people. So these are the good citizens in a society. So these are citizens that are Ireland, Katabe nation in Dan, Katabe country in Dan, Kushatasam. Quabiness up you, rights to protection up your responsibility up to Mushas material. He touches my people, but your rights account for your response and the respect. So these are the good citizens. Now coming to the second category, tribals. Tribal economies are materials are Naga tribal doing. So tribals is a group of clans, a group of village, a group of people who speak the same, who share the same culture, who speak the same language, who have the same tradition. These are called tribes. So it's a Naga tribes will come out of. So this is a tribe. This is a material. Corrobate that third category is the idiots. Idiots are in the Cambridge dictionary. It is said idiots are they might be foolish and stupid. In the as per the Oxford dictionary, foolish and stupid people are called idiots. But as per the Greek anthropology, the Greek people are these idiots are the self-centered people, individualistic, selfish. They want to do everything for themselves, not for the people, even not for his society, even not for his family. Some comes to the extent of not doing anything for the family also. Just if he is good, if he is satisfied, that's enough. These people are called idiots. Is it was a Sangtam? Is as a kibaketukula rajo. Is a andala litro hitum no jayaraba. Hitaya is a social life like to say ketukula rajo. For example, is a kipula. Sunday, every Sunday, until I should Muzure, Kutia Tuya Kurla, half the Metharobic, Pumjum, Tibre, water, is that some kipula to Quatisano, but the helipad Mokuya by sites. Helipad is a Mokuya with Lashipun, Amala San Mokuza, Kuja Sakanla, in Nagan, it will be among the 5 biggest church or 5 among the 10 biggest church. Keep la sagan. He's done nothing else. Ashi punula, the Sangtam is a young chula, she bloom kunamo, Shamra, she lumber, Apum Sangam, she bloom. Long Kenya, the hay start tankidan Tarabe. They called when it comes to social living. Called the Libila Yang Tata Bakan, the Nakarit. It's a social living Aragana. Sangtam with the Apuru Sangtam can't support my Changerbe. Apuru Sangtam, Apuru Yans, Lander Masasongerbe. Apuru Nitarita, it's a Nitare Lander Sokan, Ilitumachinsone. It's a good Shopar, Tikipo, Ichinsokin. His part, it is very clear in Kipri. Lungim Charila, I don't know. But it Kipri like a little bit. So that kind of social living where we are tribals. We cannot say we are good citizens. We're good citizens, we don't have that category and we are not in that status. But it's a tribal small model. Then how do we categorize our Sangtam people? We can say we are idiots. It's all idiots. It's self-centered. In the Makanla, Aparela, Munguson, Aparla Mitson, Aparla Munguson. That is there in the mentality of the Sangtam. It's a good Hila Kebiusori. It's a Sangba young, Hila represents Apam River. At least if we can educate our own people in one way or other, that we should not be idiots. It's a Sangtam society, progress Sanose. Later, progress Sanose. It is not good on my part to speak such thing in this platform. If I platform like you to know too, it's as a Hipa Anmela, religious platform, Makan religious activity. Kataziki, Parade computer. Is a Sangtam, is a tribe which has a Paracuda, Parayu Chupara Kata advance is a tribe. First, is a tribe in Alimton, it's going to be. Is that a satisfied sound? Parakas may bow. It's bad. Cuddly no by. It's a good do you are to know it's in a Payu category in the Ubas? It's a quotation. Lemnon Lura Amatilla is a permanent idiot Macambi and at least be a good tribal person and if possible, be a good citizen. It's about to Isa. Unless a sang is a Zangan Gitzardina. Aki Apilla, the Gonzale, Mahan Kitita, Mahan Apple, it be a Puruni Tarasa, Kilansinele, about day. Go the Gonzayano, Mahan Ucholananda Sayano, Lickham President, USS President, USS General Secretary, Mr. Sayano, you should not come Choyano, Dabe, you shouldn't done a land. Little as it is, use blood as it is, that good the rope, Limi and Tata, Maha socially malino, a poetry land aboard. You should pass it, Dicano, you should pass it, Lanza country, you should pass nothing to John. It's that is an Sinabanis is a shark Kenyamacano. Whether even the God said, this what Jewish, they were slaves of pharaohs in this Rome, what do we got? Yeah, they were the slaves of pharaohs. That was like Moses said, London, that is an Israeli nation. Israel is a Israeli nation, but Arab nation is we also have to try to first lead our people, do good for our people so that our people get some benefit and some way or other we have been blessed. That's about you. Likana is a permanent tally, but a Kenyajo you show Shah Lakana, Hipayukas, and Naradioku, Utere, in a Hichula, sentimental hearts have Macankale, I do not be Namkanadilla. Please forgive, you can't tell it something that the kitchen is a muscle. Tuturu Nario, there is a permanent, you cut a statue as a permanent. It's a baisa. Yota Baz is a future less you. Society language at that time says upon Macam beta. You are Chankata Nere Yuri, Yapamaso.